Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll activate the exhaust system in the vehicle animator I created and explore its settings together. We'll add the exhaust effect to the vehicle, adjust its position, flame intensity, and visual settings, and learn how to create a dual exhaust system step by step. Let's get started. First, we enable the exhaust system by activating Enable VA Exhaust Studio. From the VA Flame Effect field, we can select the flame effect we want to use. In VA Flame Director mode, we can run the system automatically or control it through Sequencer. VA Flame Performance Style determines how the flame effect behaves. We can adjust the overall effect intensity with VA Master Flame Power and control the flame amount in Sequencer using VA Sequencer Flame Amount. To create more natural and irregular flame bursts, we can use VA Automatic Burst Strength, VA Burst Frequency Multiplier, and VA Burst Randomness. Changing the VA Burst Random Seed value generates a different randomized flame pattern. In the lower section, we can enable the left and right exhaust outlets separately. Using the position, direction, and scale settings, we can align each effect precisely with the vehicle's exhaust outlets. Finally, by enabling Preview VA Exhaust in Editor, we can preview the result directly in the editor without entering play mode. By adding these settings to the sequencer timeline and creating keyframes, you can produce custom animations. You can use the system in various vehicle scenarios, including acceleration, launch sequences, throttle revs, and burnouts. As you can see, the system produces powerful flames and performs smoothly and reliably. With this system, you can use any vehicle you assign without making any rig adjustments. You can easily position the exhaust effects according to the vehicle's exhaust outlets and use either a single or dual exhaust setup. You can access the complete course covering all the systems of this vehicle through the link in the description. When you purchase the course, you'll be able to download the Vehicle Animator system and project files at no additional cost. I'll also provide the system as a plugin, allowing you to easily integrate it into your own Unreal Engine projects and use it in any project you like. Stay tuned for more tutorials. See you next time.